boy.
Yeah, boy. So yeah, as you seen in the last video yesterday, went down and seen it for the first time starting up. But this time it's actually going to be the first drive. So I thought I'd film like 2 days of this because you all want to see probably what it drives like and how it sounds and stuff. So going down to our performance now in Ej9's ST, and we'll catch up with you guys when we get there. God, Damo, send it.
Really got 160 in there.
160? You saying that on camera, Damo? You should be saying that, mate. In
Mexico.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, right there.
At least you got good brakes, I guess.
Fuck me, look at the tyres on that fucking Ranger. What the fuck? Shit, cunt, that's a leak.
Yeah, nice one, Damo. Wakes up the hammer.
Fucking hell, man.
Ken's probably even thinking, what the fuck is that coming down here now?
Do that again.
That's pretty sexual, isn't it? Shit, Ken. What is that? It's shaking his head. Actually, yeah, put the ass end right in front of the foot in there and fucking...
Stop. No, do it now, Yeah, I'll get it in a minute.
Yeah, do it again, Damo. Yeah, bye. Oh, mate, she's sweet. She's gonna rev it up cold here. Sounds good. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. What gear shift What gear shift to go for in the end? Oh, you got that one. All ready to go until we realise there's one bolt missing right there. Oh well. Chris has got like a B series manifold, B series downpipe to a D series section, and D series fucking back box underneath actually. Look at it, it's like Bob's job drop under there. Go check out a big boy turbo. Oh mate, can't even get to it, can we? Our Turbo Technics one, that's why, mate.
You could have just sat around.
Fucking a big old place.
If I've given you too much cash, please give back. Okay.
Definitely won't.
Are you going now?
Oh, here we go. Yeah, bye.
Centre section. Yeah. The one has a little crack in it.
Yeah, he said. Yeah, I need to get a,
Oh, mate. She smells rich in here, doesn't she?
I need to get a pipe
You need to get a pipe.
and brakes.
Where
I
is-
want the next thing, the rear. Oh, really? Would you,
At some point.
next thing, I need,
Shit, lower in space.
yeah, I need to do freaking. I need to get brake discs in the back.
Big brakes in front, just in the back.
ASAP. Yeah, bye. This is sick. Oh. Oh. Let me get out here and you got fucking. You got. Wait. Send it. Yeah, I got the rev gauge. It's off the rev gauge. Oh mate, mate, this thing fucking flies, isn't it? Mate, that is so much better now. Mate, this is gonna tank on the track day. Yeah.
Mate, this is amazing.
Oh mate. Oh, but it's not.
This is literally amazing. Mate,
This is sick.
Mate, this clutch is fucking lovely. Stage 2.
Oh, stage 2. This spin. For a tunnel.
Yeah, boy.
Window down, boy. Man, that sounds so good through there. We're gonna catch Damo now, I reckon. See you later, Damo. Man, it picks up. She's up goes. Oh, hell. Man, I can't see a thing. Oh, man, it's risky wipers up. Man, this pulls up. That actually pulls really well.
It's alright, isn't it?
It pulls well. Has he put his foot down?
Mate, it's not even that impressive against it.
No, it's not.
Mate,
Hey, not gonna lie, that did not pull as hard as I thought it was gonna pull. That's like 350 plus brake in this
that's 320 horsepower
320.
against a little 160 beauty.
Yeah, bye. Damo!
No, don't do it now.
Do it now.
Sorry.
I'm on it. About to say see ya. Mate, it isn't actually that bad. Maybe let's get done by the... Well, that's the end of that then. There we go. Oh, mate, she is smelling very hot. It looks so good though. Mate, that's so cool now. It's got the old B16 in it. Going for a rip here, mate. Alright, Damo. Hey Chris, mate, you want to do a wheel spin up here? A roll back down it, mate. A roll back down here. No, you know you want to. He's gonna go for it. He's definitely. Hey, there's something loud coming out from over there. Don't know what it is. Oh mate, you should have done a roll back.
Oh, do it.
Mate, come on! I done about 4 of them yesterday.
Stop being scared. Listen, Ben was like, the only way the drive shaft's going to shit itself is if you do a rollback.
No, mate, you've literally launched it. I felt the drive shaft chewing up about 5 minutes ago anyway.
Do a fucking launch back.
Sing in.
Do a burnout.
Do a burnout. So there we go, that's Chris's Civic now with the B16 in. I apologise that I haven't been able to get like the full like videos for it actually being built because Ben's obviously been really busy and I haven't had a chance to film because like come down and film it because I haven't been there when the car's been built. But now, as you remember, the car started off with a, I'm guessing it's D series 1.4 that was inside that Ej9 and it's now running a B16 that Chris took out of that Del Sol. If you remember, he had that Del Sol and he's now running it in that. He's had all the clearances done, everything's running sweet, the car pulls really well. Chris is over the moon with it. The only thing he needs to do now is obviously upgrade the brakes, so we're supposed to be on track next Monday. So if you've enjoyed seeing that Civic, I know it's not, you haven't seen much of the build, maybe next time I get like a bit difficult because I work, Chris works, and Chris only dropped off down to Ben. So if I had like a full-time, if my full-time job was YouTube, I would be down there every day filming what Ben's doing that with it and showing you guys how he's done it and stuff. So I apologise, but now you've seen what it's like. The B16 Civic is sick. That shell is perfect for that now. He's got the B16 in it. It's got to be at least a $3 to $4 grand car now, other than that shell, which is absolutely immaculate. It's all under sealed. Everything is mint on that car now. Even the engine is proper running good. So Chris is still not finished with the car though. He's going to be going up to turbo in it and stuff like that, but we're just taking it on his track day first at Castle Combe on Monday, and then we're going to see how he gets on. His pads will not last 5 minutes, I guarantee it, so hopefully he's taking a spare set of pads down with him that we can change on a day. And then obviously I've got my Civic that we're taking down, and I need to do a few more bits to my car as well, so I need to get all this sprayed or carpeted or whatever I'm going to do, and then get a cage in it. But you obviously got that jet speed manifold going in, that should be tomorrow, and then the HKS exhaust and etc. So should be a pretty good week, boys. Thanks for watching the video as always. If you've enjoyed Chris's Ej9 build or what you've seen of it anyway, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see it in person, feel free to come down to Globe Motors because that's what it's going to be now. Also, if I ever go to any meets and you want Chris to be there, I'll try and bring Chris to some meets because he said that's the main reason as well. He wanted to take it and show off at meets and stuff like that. So you get to see the Ej9 at meets, car meets. That's another good thing. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the bell button to be notified every single time I upload. And make sure you get the thumbs up button as well because it's been a really cool journey for that car. Having the Honda Del Sol and then putting the engine from that Del Sol into the Ej9 was really cool. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you all next video. Check out my social media as well. See you next one. Bye for now.